Hi, this is Max from Arbitrage Hero, and in this video I'm going to talk about initial expenses that your Amazon arbitrage business will need. Any business needs a starting capital. I have listed all initial expenses that you will have with Amazon arbitrage. First of all, you will need to pay for Amazon seller account. The monthly fee for it is £30 in the United Kingdom and $39.99 in the US. Then, of course, you will need money for your first inventory. You can start with as little as £100 or $100, but I would recommend you to allocate a bigger budget of £500 or $500. This will allow you not to be stretched too much when picking products that you will sell on Amazon. It will also allow you to have a bigger inventory and see results much faster. Next, you will need tools to prepare and send your inventory to Amazon. Those tools will include a printer for printing labels. You can have just a simple inkjet printer. Most of you probably already have printer at home, so you can utilize what you have. You will need to have actual labels. You will also need polybags and bubble wraps at a later stage. These are optional items, but you will need them at some point because Amazon has special packaging requirements for some of the products. You will need to get actual boxes to ship your products to Amazon. There is a way to save money on boxes if you decide to do so. The simplest way to do that is to go to any of your local shops and ask them whether they have any unwanted boxes. Bigger stores receive their products daily and they just throw boxes away, so they will not have any issues with you picking up those boxes for your purpose. Finally, you will need to have a scotch tape to seal your boxes and scales to weigh them. I will put links to products that I personally use under this video so you can see whether you can use any of those products yourselves. I hope this was useful. This was Max from Arbitrage Hero, and thank you for watching.